Hello दोस्तों, my name is Sandeep Kumar and here we are going to discuss syllogism. And this is my Unacademy profile. You can follow me here by typing Sandeep KU Kumar, and you can also find me at Telegram with the same name. So let's discuss. This is my Unacademy course based on syllogism. I have covered questions from various exams like SBI PO. Most of the questions are from SBI PO and IBPS PO. Some of them are from CSAT and SSC exam. Okay, so you can see them here. You can watch them here, and these are really useful for from uh, beginning to top level. I mean, in a good level. There is directions that each questions are given a five statement followed by five conclusions, one of which definitely does not logically follow. Okay, so R is not a possibility of occurrence. So this is also you should consider this statement also like this is not a possibility of occurrence. Like that is incidents cannot be possible from the given statement that conclusion is your answer, so that your answer is that conclusion is not following, or there is no possibility of that incident should be of being occurrence. And here is note that you have take the five given statement to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known fact, and then you need to decide which of the following which of the given conclusion logically does not follow from the given statement. It means that if these statements that are given they are they are different from commonly known fact, then also you need to consider, you should consider them correct statement, and you will give answer one if third and fourth, only third and fourth do not follow. You will give answer two if conclusion third and fifth do not follow, and you will give answer three if conclusion second and fifth do not follow. You will give answer four if say first and second do not follow, and similarly you will give answer five if fourth and fifth do not follow. So come to our first question. Here is given we have five statement, like some first statement is some cows are buffaloes. So here is some cows, and these are buffaloes. So yes, this part of cow is buffalo, some cows are buffalo. So in this case minimum what will be minimum greater than 0%, sorry, greater than 0%, and less than or equal to 100%. This part of cow will be buffalo. So we can also draw this figure like this is cow and this is buffalo, or this is cow and this is buffalo, both of them are overlapping. Okay, so these four figures are possible, also possible, and but we will draw this only single figure, and we will draw rest of figure in our mind, so that we can solve our question uh, very in time in given time, because time is also a crucial part of our exam. Now no dog is an animal, so we will see that statement we have drawn. What statement? First statement we have drawn here, and now we will draw fourth statement. Some buffaloes are dogs. So here is buffaloes and here is dogs. Now no cow is a lion. So here is no cow is lion. So this is lion and this is cow, and no cow is lion. Now no dog is animal. So here is dog and here it will be draw animal. So no dog is animal. So this and this we have drawn, and now come to fifth second statement, that is all cats are dogs. So this is dogs and this is cat, and all cats are dogs. So here is cats and dogs. Now come to our conclusion. Some buffaloes are not lions. Some buffaloes, here is buffaloes and here is lions. So this part of buffalo, those are cow also. This part will never be lions. So yes, this is our this conclusion is following. So this is a true conclusion. Now come to second, like some buffaloes are not animals. So this part of buffalo, those are dogs. This part will never be animal. So yes, this is also following. This is following, and this also following. No buffalo is a dog. Here is buffalo and here is dog. So this part of buffalo is already a dog that is given in our statement. So yes, this is a wrong conclusion, or we can say that this is not following. Okay, now come to fourth conclusion, that is some cats being buffalo is a possibility. So some cat being yes, this cat part will be here. So this is a possible case, this cat part will be here and this cat part will be here, like this also. So this is a possibility, so this is also following. Next, some cats being animal is a possibility, some cats being animal is possibility. This is a wrong wrong conclusion. Why? Because of no dog is an animal. So if no dog is an animal and all cats are dogs, so how can some cats will be animals? So this is not following. So this is not following. So what is our answer? Our answer is third, only third and fifth are not following. So this is our answer. Come to next question. All roses are red. So this is roses, and this is red. All roses are red. All next we will draw another figure that relates to rose are red. So where is this? Is some blue are roses. So here is roses and here is blue. Some blue are roses. Okay, now come to a second statement, all blue are greens. So here is blue and here is greens. So all blue are greens. Okay, no blue is orange. So no blue is orange. Now we have no relation between blue and orange. And some greens are pink. So yeah, here is green and here is pink. So there is a relation between green and pink, that is some green are pink. Now come to conclusion, some pink are blue. So this is pink and this is blue. So yes, this is technically this will be this is in first conclusion, either some pink will be blue or no pink will be blue. So we cannot surely say that this conclusion is not following. So this is a case of occurrence that will be given in our question. Now some pinks are not orange, some pinks, where is pinks, this is pinks and this is orange. So yes, this we cannot say that some pinks are not orange. Here like this will be, this figure can be like this is orange, this part will be orange, and this part, this can be pink and this can be orange. So yes, this is also a case of occurrence. So yes, we cannot say that this is unfollowing, not following. Now some green are roses, some green, where is green, green and roses. Yes, this is correct because this part of green is roses. Now no red is blue, here is red and here is blue. So yes, this is an incorrect, because this part of roses, this part of roses, that is blue also, that is also green. So yes, no rose is blue, no, sorry, no red is blue is is not following. Okay, now all green being orange is a possibility. All green, where is green, this is green, and what it is saying, like all green being orange is a possibility. So listen, what we can say that all blue, sorry, no blue is orange. So if no blue is orange and this part is also green and blue both, so how can all green will be orange? So this is also not following. What is our answer? Our answer will be fourth, only fourth and fifth are not following. Come to next question. We have given a statement that all pens are white. Here is pens and here is white. So all pens are white. Now come to that statement which relates to pen and white. So here is third statement, some pens are blackboard. Okay, so here is pen and here is blackboard. Okay, now we don't have any statement that relates to either blackboard or pen or white. So what we will do, we will draw a parallel another figure, like no pencil is dark. So this is pencil and this is dark. and there is no relation between pencil and dark. So no pencil is now no pencil is brown. So this is pencil and this is brown. So no pencil is brown. Now all darks are matter. All darks are matter. So here is dark and here is, where is matter? Sorry, marker. Sorry, all darks are marker. Here is dark and here it will be marker. Okay, now come to conclusion. So we have drawn all the statement. Now we will see the conclusion. First conclusion is some blackboards are white. Some blackboards are white. This is blackboard and this is white. So yes, this part of blackboard is white. That is following. Now all pencil being marker is a possibility. All pencil being marker is a possibility. Yes, that is correct because it will be like this. So this will be matter. Sorry, marker. This will be marker. So yes, this is also following because there is a possibility of being all pencil being marker. Now no dark is a marker. So this is dark, this is dark, and this is marker. So all dark are marker. So this conclusion is not following because all dark are matter. That is given in our statement. Next, all marker being pencil is a possibility. So all marker being pencil, how it is possible that all marker will be pencil? Because of no dark is pencil. So that part that is dark and that is marker also, this part will never be sorry, this part will never be pencil. So this is not following. ठीक. Now come to fifth conclusion. Some white being blackboard is a possibility. Some white, where is white? This is white and being blackboard. So this is also following because some white are already blackboard. So yes, this is also correct. This is also possible. This is also following. So now what is our answer? That our answer will be only third and fourth are not following. Okay, come to next question. Some men are corrupt. So here is men and this will be corrupt. So here is some men and are corrupt. This part of men are corrupt. Now no man is leader. So here is man and here is leader. So no man is leader. Why here is men and here is man? Because it is this man is plural form and this is talking about single man. So no single man is a leader. Now come to next fourth statement. All women are men. So here is men and here will be women. Now we have drawn three statement. Now come to second statement. All politician are honest. So here is no relation between between all four of them. So we will draw a parallel another figure. All politician are honest. So here is politician and all politician are honest. No honest is bureaucrat. So no honest is bureaucrat. Okay, now come to conclusion. Some corrupt are not leaders. Some corrupt, this corrupt and this part of corrupt are not leaders. So this is following. Some politicians are bureaucrats. Where is politician? Here is politician and here is bureaucrat. And all no politician will be bureaucrat because of all politicians are honest and no honest is bureaucrats. So yes, this statement is not following. Some politicians are not bureaucrats. Some politician, yes, this some at least some politicians are not bureaucrat because of all politicians are not bureaucrat. So this part is also this conclusion is also following. Now come to fourth conclusion. Some corrupt being woman is a possibility. So some corrupt, this part of corrupt, and yes, this woman will be like, sorry, this woman like this. So this can be woman. So this part of woman can be corrupt, and also we can say that woman will come here also. So in the case of like all women are corrupt is also will also be correct. So this part is also following. Now some leader being men is a possibility. Some leader, where is leader? Here is leader. Some leader being men is a possibility. No, because of no men is leader. So this is not following. So yes, what is our answer? Our answer is second and fifth are not following. Only second and fifth are not following. So That's from my side, and thanks for watching. If this video is helpful in your preparation, then please like the video, share it, and share it with your friends, and subscribe this channel. So thank you.